Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you're in the right Google profile. Once done, open extensions directly at Chrome, //extensions, or via menu More Tools Extensions. You want developer mode enabled so you can see extension ID, detailed options, and the source. If an ad blocker came with a policy or enterprise tag, note that label now. Make sure to pause syncing if you plan to remove extensions across devices, and keep this extensions page open for the next step. Now locate the ad blocker in the list and either toggle it off to disable or click Remove to uninstall. If you only need it off for specific sites, click Details and change site access to on click or only on sites you choose. For stubborn extensions, copy the extension ID and check Chrome, //policy or your system's managed preferences. Some are enforced by IT or malware. Once removed or disabled, close all browser windows and move on to cleaning up residual data. Finish by clearing cache and cookies for the sites where ads were blocked. Go to Settings Privacy, clear browsing data, and select cookies and cached images. Restart the browser to ensure changes take effect, then load a page that used to be blocked to verify ads or content load normally. If content still fails, run an anti-malware scan and revisit Chrome, //policy to remove managed settings. One troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, boot to safe mode or a new profile and repeat removal there to isolate profile level control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.